As you can see in my previous videos posted here on YouTube, the problem I've been having has been a weak mixture. It turns out that all the time it was the idle jets, which although they appeared open, were still slightly dirty. By coincidence I discovered that hypodermic needles are in metric sizes, and I found one that was the perfect size to clear the idle jets. Also a slightly larger one I used to clear the approach and the exit from the jet. It took a little bit of working through, but that small bit of incrustation I moved from the outside diameter of the jet hole has made all the difference, as you'll see later when I post a video of the bike running.